Hi folks, it's Max from GalaxyNote2.com. So I've got another ROM overview of the Automon ROM for your GTN 7100. This is the international version. Please do not flash on any other Galaxy Note 2s. This one comes highly optimized with a bunch of really cool icons, custom icons for everything, as you can see there. Wi-Fi, signal, battery. Also does come with an inverted battery, which is really nice. Let me show you real quick. Very nice keyboard. I really like this keyboard a lot. Not inverted, sorry. Was it inverted? Anyway, that's really nice. Let me back up here. So I don't have my regular camera today, or any of for this whole week. Also does come with a ton of wallpapers, which I really like. It does come with regular wallpapers, and those 5 there. But it does also come with more wallpapers. Home screen here, Automon wallpapers. Like there's about 22 different wallpapers to choose from. That's really nice. And also this this ROM does come with ROM optimizations and the tweaked Pegasus Q governor, which means you're gonna get better performance without any overclocking. Pretty fast, not too bad. And also Flash Player available. Let me just kind of skip through all of this. If you want all of these nice wallpapers, you can just install this ROM. And also does have 15 toggles. Again, you get customized icons for everything here. So I really like that. And other than that, it's very clean, fast and stable ROM. And there's even auto thing down here. So very nice ROM. And check it out for this week's ROM of the week. And let me know what you think of this ROM. And if you have a Galaxy Note 2, don't forget to sign up for my email list at GalaxyNote2.com. We update you once a week with ROM of the week, tips, hacks, and more. And if you're on YouTube, please hit that like button for me here, subscribe button up there, and don't forget to tweet this or Facebook it, or whatever you want to do. Tell your friends with Galaxy Note 2. Yeah, and that's it. And have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah.